Students, so today class one more equation. What is a VT graph? Derive an equation v square equal to v naught square plus 2ax from velocity time graph or VT graph. This is the third equation from graphical method. So what is a VT graph? Velocity taken along the y-axis, time along the x-axis. The graph obtained by plotting velocity along the y-axis and time along the x-axis, that is called VT graph. What are the importance or applications of VT graph? VT graph helps us to study the nature of the motion. VT graph helps us to find the displacement of the body, to find the instantaneous velocity and acceleration of the body. So now prove the formula v square equal to v naught square plus 2ax. V is a final velocity, v naught is an initial velocity, 2a is the acceleration, x is the displacement. So how to draw the VT graph? First you know the concept of a body moving with uniform velocity, some initial velocity, starting some initial velocity. So how draw the graph, VT graph? Uniform acceleration and initial velocity. So now I write graph here. So this line indicate velocity time graph. So this line shows that in VT graph, if a body moving with uniform acceleration with initial velocity, what does represent area of the VT graph? This area represents what? Displacement. So now this is a displacement. So join the line. What does represent area of the VT graph? Displacement. This area, what is the structure? So carefully observe this structure O, A, B, D. So this is a trapezium. So area of the trapezium equal to what? Area of the rectangular and plus area of the triangle. So in this area you construct one rectangular and triangular. So now here rectangular. So this is a rectangular, now this is a triangular, and join this line, dotted line here. So students, how to draw the graph, VT graph? So in this case, first you write straight line. After this area represents displacement. What is the shape of the area? So trapezium. Trapezium equal to rectangular. So this is a rectangular. Now this is a triangular. So now find here C. This is C. So students, so look at here. O, A, C, D. What? This is a rectangular. A, C, D equal to what? Triangular. So area of the trapezium equal to sum of the area of the rectangular plus triangular. So now OA equal to what? Initial velocity. OA equal to initial velocity because the body moving with uniform acceleration, some beginning initial velocity V naught, and the body to reach final position where at B. This is the final velocity. Here V is a final velocity. So V is a final velocity. So V is the final velocity. So initial velocity changes to final velocity taken per time t second. So initial to final take per time t second. Now OD. So OD equals time t. Okay students, how to draw the graph? First you know the basic ideas. Velocity taken along the y-axis, time along the x-axis, and you know the concept, different ways of VT graph. A body moving with uniform acceleration, so some initial velocity V naught, so the structure is a solid line. So after, what does represent area of the VT graph? That is a displacement. Now this area, it becomes what? Trapezium. So trapezium equal to area of the rectangular and triangular. So now construct rectangular O, A, C, D. This is a rectangular. So A, C, D. This is a triangle. So first you know the basic ideas for this graph. Trapezium equal to rectangular, area of the rectangle plus triangular. This area represents what? Displacement. So what data you have taken for this graph? Let OA. Friends, to explain these words, OA equal to what? V naught. OA equal to, you have taken what? V naught. What is a V naught? Initial velocity. Friends, explain this term. OA. Let us consider OA equal to what? V naught. V naught is a what? Initial velocity. So and dB equal to what? Final velocity. So dB equal to V, final velocity. So dB equal to what? V, final velocity. And in x-axis what? OD. So OD I have considered what? T. So T means time in which V naught becomes V. So time in which initial velocity becomes final velocity. Change in velocity takes place time t second. So students, we explain these words like OA equal to what? V naught is the initial velocity. In a graph, dB equal to what? V, final velocity. The change in velocity takes place time t second. The body change from initial velocity to final velocity. In a graph, you see, look at here, OD equal to, you have taken what? Time. OD equal to t. So time in which a V naught becomes V, initial velocity becomes final velocity. So after, what does represent a area of the VT graph? The area of the VT graph represents displacement. So displacement equal to area under the VT graph. Friends, write the sentence. Displacement equal to what? Area under the VT graph. So area under the VT graph represent displacement. So displacement symbol what here? X. What is the displacement? The body change its position in a particular direction is called displacement. So displacement means X. This area under the VT graph represents displacement. Now displacement symbol take X. Area under the VT graph. So this is area O, A, B, D. So area under the VT graph. So this is a trapezium. In trapezium what? Rectangular and triangular. So area of the rectangular symbol. Friends, this symbol indicates rectangular symbol. So area of the rectangle what? O, A, C, D. Area of the rectangle O, A, C, D. And area of the triangular. So area trapezium equal to area of the rectangle plus area of the triangle. Area of the triangle symbol. Area of the triangle what? ACB. Students, once again I am telling. So now observe here, area of displacement equal to area under the VT graph. Area under the VT graph means here what? Area of the rectangle OACD. So area of the rectangle OACD plus area of the triangle ACB. How to calculate area in rectangular? So in general formula, area equal to what? Length into breadth. Area equal to L into B. Friends, general formula, area equal to length into breadth. So L into B. So now x equal to area of the rectangular. So this is the rectangular. What is the height? OA or length. Length represent OA. So in L place, L means length. So length means you will represent where to where? OA. So after breadth, OD. So first term, area of the rectangular, length into breadth. So OA is a length, OD is a breadth. Plus after second term what? Area of the triangle. So area of the triangle what? ACB. Now 10th standard mathematics, area of the triangle of base into height. So of 1 by 2. 1 by 2, it comes from where? In the mathematical formula, area of the triangle equal to of base height. So 1 by 2. So base. So it's a triangle. So in this triangle, which is base? AC. So AC is a base. Into height. In this triangle, which is the height? BC or CB. Friends, try to understand this concept here. Area of the rectangle equal to length into breadth. Length means OA, breadth means OD. Area of the triangle of base height. Now this is a triangle. In this triangle, which side is a base? AC. So CB or BC is a height. So now x equals displacement. So OA into OD plus 1 by 2. So AC, here AC parallel to where? OD into BC. So BC written as BD minus DC or DB minus DC. Friends, now you observe carefully here what? BC. This written as DB minus DC. DB minus DC. So now here x is the displacement. OA. So OA equal to what in graph? OA equal to what? V0, initial velocity. Into OD. So now here OD equals what you have taken? Time T. Plus. So area of the triangle of 1 by 2. So 1 by 2. OD equals what? T into dB equals what? Once again, dB equal to what? V minus DC. So now here DC is parallel to OA equal to what? V0. So V0 So now x equal to V naught t plus 1 by 2. Now multiply here Vt minus V naught t. Now students here x equal to V naught t plus half t into V minus V naught t. Now within bracket you multiply t Vt minus V naught. Now x equal to V naught t plus this equation written as 1 by 2 Vt minus 1 by 2 V naught t. V naught t. Now students here x equal to V naught t plus 1 by 2 into Vt minus 1 by 2 V naught. Now you take here LCM 2. So x equal to, now 2 is the LCM. So 2 V naught t plus Vt minus V naught t. Students, take LCM. So 2 is the LCM. After simplified, 2 V naught t plus here Vt minus V naught t. So x equal to, now here what? 2 V naught t, here minus V naught t, 1 V naught t. So 2 V naught t minus 1 V naught t, how much? V naught t plus Vt divided by 2. Students here 2 V naught t, here minus 1 V naught t. Example 2 V naught t minus 1 V naught t. 1 V naught t. Example in your mathematics 2 minus 1 equals what? 1. So 2 minus 1 equal to what? 1. So we mention here 2 V naught t minus 1 V naught t equals what? V naught t equals V naught t. So this above equation written as, this equation written as x equal to, first write Vt plus after write V naught t by 2. So x equal to, so here t take common, V plus V naught by 2 into t. So x equal to Vt plus V naught t by 2. So in numerator take t outside, V plus V naught by 2. So after first equation of motion, first equation of motion V minus V equal to V naught plus At. The first equation of linear motion V equal to V naught plus At. V is a final velocity, V naught is a initial velocity, A is acceleration t time. So V naught take left side minus V naught equals A into t. Now t equals V minus V naught by A. So students, so I am telling one more time here, first equation of motion V equal to V naught plus At. So after V naught take left side, V minus V naught equal to At. Now time t equal to V minus V naught by A. Now substituting for t value here t. So x equal to V plus V naught by 2 into, now t equals what? V minus V naught by A. So above equation written as x equal to V plus V naught into V minus V naught by 2A. So here V plus V naught, V minus V naught, in the mathematics formula A square minus B square. A square minus B square equal to what? A plus B into A minus B. A square minus B square equal to A plus B into A minus B. So now take cross multiplication, 2AX equals, so this formula 2AX equal to V plus V naught into V minus V naught. V minus V naught. V minus V naught. So 2ax equal to, now applying formula a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So a minus b. So now we have what? V square minus v naught square. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So after minus v naught you take this side. 2ax plus v naught square equals v square. So finally this equation recognizes v square equal to v naught square plus 2ax. So this is equation of motion. Derive an equation v square equal to v naught square plus 2ax from VT graph.